the essential of modern people. Check your own health anytime, anywhere. Alphado is always with you. IoT Pocket Spectrometer, Alphado. Alphado is a new concept product converging an optical image sensor with optical technology, software, healthcare content, and big data analysis services. Nutritional analysis of food and different types of healthcare, such as caring for blood pressure and blood-related diseases, are possible by near-infrared and visible light spectral wavelength analysis. Among the numerous foods and products in the world, Alphado helps you to choose the foods and products you need to better your health. Alphado can analyze not only good nutrition, but also harmful ingredients. By scanning your food as well as myriad skin conditions, skincare is easier and your sensitive skin will be healthier with Alphado. The results of exact ingredient analysis from using Alphado in your daily life are that it can analyze and manage big data by further refining a user's life. Alphado is making the best effort to help busy and tired modern people from all over the world to enjoy healthy life with a single scan. Plus, the ultra-compact, pocket-sized Alphado checks your health anywhere in the world. Now, health is technology. Alphado.